Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Monday, the start of a new work week. Last night, we had a bit of fun here. It was tag team cooking. Not only was it Sunday night, it was Sunday night dinner with Robin. I did all her prep, got her final mise en place, and she finished the meal. We prepared a Reuben bake with homemade casual chef Russian dressing. Great meal. This is not the first time we've done a Reuben bake here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen, but it's a great comfort food. I've had about 4 pounds of corned beef in the freezer since St. Patty's Day. So that's why I broke out, I cut it up and, did the thing. Fun meal. We had a very nice evening. We talked about a lot of things, talked a lot about food. The Russian dressing, I actually tried kind of a different twist or a new version, and it ended up being excellent and better than my original. So, both recipes for the Reuben bake and for the new Russian dressing will be posted. Enjoy them. All right. The Culinary Expedition starts our week off in Serbia. We're going something a little different. I've had to do a lot of research on this dish. I've actually taken 3 or 4 recipes for basically the same thing and have combined them. I will be preparing Gibanica. Again, this is a Serbian dish. I've never seen anything like it. I'm sure there are other versions of this. I have not been able to find an English translation for Gibanica, but I haven't tried that hard, to be quite honest. So let's get to it. I'm going to be playing with phyllo dough today. Yes. And the 9x9 was used last night. Robin took leftovers home. We have phyllo, eggs, garlic. I have some leftover minced onions. And this is the fun part. Feta cheese, Parmesan cheese, cheddar cheese, and Greek yogurt. A little bit of neutral oil, kosher salt, some baking powder, milk. The empty beaker represents some sparkling water, which I will go and get later because I don't normally have sparkling water, and white sesame seeds. So as you can see, this is not normal fare for the casual chef. And I'm actually seriously considering not doing the prep live, but actually doing the assembly live later on this afternoon. It should be fun. Working with puff pastry can be a headache or it can be just fun. It's a crapshoot, but it's cooler weather. Actually, it's going to be about 93 today. So, yeah, look forward to it. And if you don't catch the live, I will. It obviously will rebroadcast in the group, and I'll get it posted other places too. All right, so on this Monday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.